been issued by the civil authorities. Please stand by for further instructions. A shelter in place has been issued for the entire state of West Valley by the civil authorities. Please listen to this following message as it might save your life. We have some updates regarding the mysterious creature that has been seen and recorded near the power plant. The videos weren't faked. We asked professionals to analyze the videos and they confirmed that they weren't edited. We have even received more video sightings by citizens and a body cam footage from an officer showing the creature for a couple of seconds. A witness managed to get closer to the entity with a Geiger counter. The witness managed to detect 400 rats just by standing roughly 30 meters from the entity. According to the witness, the entity appeared to have noticed him as it started to fly away from the witness. Please, if you spot the entity outside your home, call emergency services and stay away from windows. We still do not know how much rats does the entity actually emit, but 400 rats within 30 meters of the entity is already concerning, but fortunately it's not life-threatening level yet. Life-threatening levels would be 1,000 rats and higher. We again advise to not approach the entity for any reason. This is all for now. Stay tuned and do not panic. Thank you for your time and have a nice evening.